Kanin ulam yung recipe natin today because our rice dish is loaded with protein and vegetables.
Simple, simple. Luto na,
So you can never run out of fried rice ideas kasi you can just put anything you want, fresh or leftovers. But today is special because we are using Chinese sausage, which I really love. But what we will do now, we will make our sauce or ating pangtimpla ng ating fried rice ahead of time. So I have some soy sauce and oyster sauce. Combination siya. And it's going to be very aromatic because we also add a little bit of grated ginger and our sesame oil. O, di ba ang saya? Ito pa lang, masarap na siya, no? But we will use this to flavor our rice later on. So, we start off with our kaning lamig or bahaw. Laging may bahaw sa bahay. Kasi sometimes mahirap tansyahin yung mga appetite ng mga tao. So we heat up a wok with oil. And what I will do now, I will add my Chinese sausage. Yan. Chorizo Macau. Yan. And I start it, no? Para all the flavors and the aroma of the sausage will really infuse itself into the oil para talagang lasang-lasa mo tong Chinese sausage sa inyong fried rice. And of course, ito siya, hindi ko recipe. Recipe to ni Ate Antonette Tan. Oy, yan, invento daw niya tong recipe na to during the pandemic. So, may nadulot din na kaalaman sa pagluto tong pandemic natin. Chorizo Macau has a very sweet aroma, no? And usually sa Chinese mga fried rice, meron naman talagang Chinese sausage, but they're cut into really small pieces. Ito yung style niya, medyo malalaki, no? So, ulam na talaga siya. So, I added my garlic, my carrots, my onions, and I will also saute it, konting saute, before I will add my kaning lamig. So, I'm using around 4 cups of my kaning lamig. The best talaga pag fried rice, yung mga ganito, no? Kasi nagiging buhaghag, which we really like. Yan. And I will season with salt, but I will also add my special sauce, which I made earlier, no? To give it some color and flavor, linamnam, and nice nuttiness and all that. Mix lang natin. The ginger will brighten up the flavor of this dish. Mix natin. And another thing we are adding is we are adding our UFC green peas, which will add a lot of protein. Added protein sa ating fried rice para kanin ulam na talaga siya, no? So we have carbs, we have fiber, we have protein. Ang bango. And this recipe is part of the UFC 50th anniversary cookbook. Pag UFC, hindi lang banana ketchup, kundi all these other good stuff that we use in our recipes. If you want a copy of this particular recipe or other recipes from the cookbook, you can just download. Nandyan sa link sa baba. Click nyo lang at makukuha nyo for free yung ating cookbook. We will add 2 eggs to our fried rice. Kasi pag fried rice, gusto nating may eggs, di ba? Yan. 2 or 3 eggs or 4 eggs. It's really up to you. Yan. Beat natin. I will just put my rice to the side. And because I'm using a non-stick pan, I will not add oil anymore. I will just drizzle, no, my eggs on the side. Let it cook, no. Look at that, no. So my eggs are already done, curdled on the side, and that is the time I will mix it with my rice. No. And we will just add our black pepper. And we will add more greens. So ito siya, I'm using bok choy. You can use petchay, you can use lettuce, you can use whatever greens. Spinach, pwede din. Diba? Kangkong, pwede din. No? So you don't limit yourself when you're making fried rice. Meron akong chopped leeks dito just to finish my fried rice. And it's going to be perfect. I'll add half of my leeks, half for garnish. And it's done. So, ang bilis-bilis. Our rice dish for today. It's time to use your leftovers. And finish with our spring onions or leeks. And here it is, our dish for today. Chinese sausage and vegetable fried rice. Simple!